Hello dear students, warm welcome to this video. Now today we are going to study a surface integrals. So first we see what is the surface area. So see here, in one variable case we learn that the area of the surface generated by revolving the graph of the function y is equal to f of x, where x lies in between a to b about x axis, which is given by, so see here we have a figure which is x revolving about the x axis. So this is x axis, this is y axis, this is z axis. Okay, so here the area which is generated or surface generated by revolving this graph about the x-axis, right? So here ax is equal to 2 pi integral a to b mod of f of x square root of 1 plus f dash of x bracket square into dx. This is the area when the surface generated which is revolving by the graph of the function y is equal to f of x, right, which is about the x-axis. Now about y-axis, ay is equal to 2 pi integral a to b mod of x square root of 1 plus f dash of x bracket square into dx. Next here the surface S is the graph of the function z is equal to f of xy over the plane region R. So see here, this is the one function z is equal to f of xy. If we take here small bracket, then we find first unit area to this bracket pk, then we take integration, then we get the area. Okay, so see here we have a diagram in xyz plane. Okay, so here delta of rk which is given by the rk म्हणजे रेक्टँगल, राईट. आर स्टँड फॉर अ रेक्टँगल. हे जे स्मॉल रेक्टँगल्स आहेत, तर जो स्मॉल एक रेक्टँगल आहे आर के, राईट. सपोज इथं आपण आर के म्हटलं, तर ह्या आर केचं पहिलं तुम्ही काय करणार आहे, एरिया फाइंड करणार, युनिट एरिया, आणि मग तो जो युनिट एरिया तो इंटिग्रेट केला फ्रॉम we have a limits, then we get the area. Okay, so here delta of rk is equal to, which is the closed interval x plus dx into closed interval y plus dy. So area of S will be the area over R square root of 1 plus dabba z by dabba x square plus dabba z by dabba y square into dx dy. Next, if the surface S is given by f of xyz is equal to c, if we have a surface which is given by this equation f of xyz is equal to c, and if r is the projection on S, if we have a r which is projection on S into a plane and n is a unit normal to the r, then we get the area of S which is equal to, see here, if we have a r projection on S to the plane and n is the unit normal to the r, then we have area of S which is equal to integral over r mod of gradient f divided by mod of gradient of f into n into d. Okay, next note, see here, suppose S is a surface which is given by again this equation f of xyz is equal to c, and r is the projection on S in the plane and that n is the unit normal to the r, n का इथे unit normal to the r. If g is a continuous function over S, then integration over S g ds which is equal to integral over r g of xyz into mod of grad of f divided by grad of f into p into df, sorry, dA. Then we get the there surface, that means area of this region R, or area of the surface. Okay, next, integral over a f into n ds, which is the flux of f across s, where n is the unit normal to the s. N is the unit normal to the s. Then integral over a f into n ds, which is the flux of f across s. Next, surface s is said to be a parameterized surface if there is a one-to-one vector function, right? पॅरामेट्राइज सरफेस कधी असणार आहे, जेव्हा तिथे काय असेल, वन टू वन वेक्टर फंक्शन, विच इज आर फ्रॉम आर टू आर क्यूब, वेअर आर इज द रीजन इन यू व्ही प्लेन and range of R is the surface S. Okay, next note, see here, surface area of parameterized surface S is given by A is equal to double integral over R ds, where ds is the determinant of dabba R by dabba U cross dabba V, dabba R by dabba V into du dv. Next, integral over a parameterized surface S of a scalar function. Here with the scalar function f of x y z is double integral over S f of x y z ds, which is equal to double integral over R f of R in R of u v into determinant of ru cross rv into du by dv. Next, the integral over a parameterized surface S of a vector function f. Here there is a scalar function, this is for a scalar function and this is for a vector function. If we have a vector function, then double integral over S f ds, which is equal to double integral over S f into n ds, which is equal to double integral over R f of R of uv into ru cross rv divided by determinant of ru cross rv into determinant of ru cross rv du dv. This is the formula if integral over a parameterized surface S of a vector function f, then we get this formula. Next, last, the equation of a tangent plane to the parameterized surface S at x naught, y naught, z naught is given by n into, here n into in bracket x minus x naught I plus y minus y naught j plus z minus z naught k, which is equal to 0. That is, we get a into x minus x naught plus b into a y minus y naught plus c into z minus z naught is equal to 0. This is the equation of a tangent plane to the parameterized surface S, where n is equal to ai plus bj plus ck, which is normal to the S, right? N be the ai plus bj plus ck, where n is normal to the S. Okay, now here we stop. In next video we see some examples. Okay, thank you.